It's now time to announce the much anticipated Rolling Trophy winners, starting with Singh House at 194.5 points, followed by Azad House with 215 points, Bose House with 221 points. The competition has been fierce. Leading the scoreboard with an incredible 263.5 points, the champions of this year are none other than Lokmanya Tilak House. The Rolling Trophy is awarded based on overall excellence, which includes co-curricular activities, sportsmanship, and discipline. Let's hear it for Lokmanya Tilak House as we invite their captains and representative to the stage to receive the Rolling Trophy. Now, I am honored to invite our esteemed director, Ms. Satya Datla ma'am, and our honored headmistress, Ms. Lakshmi Koduru ma'am, to kindly join us on the stage to present trophy. Let's give them another big round of applause.